Helios Small Cap Fund NFO is opening on November 6th. Should we invest? Let us do a review. Welcome to Ultra Profits. I'm here to help you grow serious wealth by showing you how to invest smarter and go beyond average returns. This video will have two sections. I will focus on the unique aspects of this NFO and also analyze a related fund from Helios. Watch till the end because I'm going to give you some unique perspectives at the end to help you with the decision of whether to invest in this fund. Quick check on the highlights of this fund. Nothing really unusual here, but let me go through this quickly before we get into the actual review. It is an open-ended equity scheme focused on investing predominantly in small cap companies as per SEBI's small cap classification, 251st company onwards by market cap. The fund aims for long-term capital appreciation by investing 65 to 100% in small cap equity and equity related instruments. It may also allocate up to 35% to other equities, that is non-small cap, and up to 35% in debt and money market instruments. Up to 10% of the portfolio can be invested in REITs and InvITs. The NFO opens on November 6th and closes on November 20th. Minimum investment is 5,000 rupees lump sum and 1,000 rupees per SIP. Exit load is 1% if redeemed within 3 months, no load thereafter. We'll go through the product presentation, which is the most informative of the content. Much information is about the trends in Indian stock market in general and small cap space in particular. I will focus my attention on the differentiating aspects of this fund and see if anything stands out. Let us see some relevant slides from the product presentation. Some background on the Helios group. Founder is Samir Arora, very pragmatic person. I have seen his interviews on the business channels. They started with a PMS in 2019. Their first mutual fund was a flexi cap in 2023. After a few other funds, they are launching a small cap fund in 2025. Small cap universe has a greater number of companies across sectors compared to the concentrated Nifty 50. I've been saying this in my other videos as well. Small cap index has delivered a higher CAGR compared to Nifty in the last decade. Small cap is 15.64%, mid cap is 14.34%, and Nifty 50 is 13.35%. This is just the index returns. Active small cap funds have given even more returns, sometimes up to 18 to 20%. A unique aspect of their investing strategy is the elimination investing. They start by eliminating bad companies first, and they have a screening checklist for that. Whether it is a bad theme, unfavorable industry, potential for disruption, low quality accounting, and any other negatives. Now in the second section, we will analyze the Helios Midcap Fund, which will give us some ideas on how the small cap fund will be structured. Midcap Fund has been in existence since a few months, so there is some data to analyze. For the Midcap Fund, we have only 6 months of performance data. It is too short to draw any conclusion, but it has done well in this time frame. For 3 months, it has given 4.72%, and for 6 months, it has given 23.8%, both one of the highest among its peers. Let us see if the Helios Midcap Fund has anything unusual in the portfolio. Here is a comparison of the number of stocks, mix of large, mid and small cap stocks, and cash levels. Nothing really stands out here. Helios Midcap has a good percentage in mid and small cap stocks. It has actually higher percentage of small cap stocks than its peers and moderate levels of cash. Some of this combination could explain the marginally higher performance that we saw earlier. Of course, the performance could also be due to better stock picking. To summarize, why could you consider investing? First, differentiated investing style, the elimination strategy that we saw earlier, and Samir Arora's investing experience. He's known for a diversified bottom-up investment approach, and he focuses on long-term growth. Second, the smaller AUMs initially will provide these funds a greater agility in taking positions and hence deliver more returns. Third, for a comparison, Helios Midcap Fund has done well, and we can expect something similar with its small cap fund. Now, why you may not invest in this NFO is generally NFOs are not a preferred investment channel since they don't have a proven performance yet. But if you are inclined to invest in this NFO, you can start with a small amount and then gradually increase through SIPs. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.